Hi, this is Jacqueline from VictorEric Design Build. We just finished a condo in the downtown area. Today, I would like to show you. Come on. As you can see, the view of this condo is so nice that the client wants us to help them to enlarge the view that they can capture as much as possible. Our client want to enjoy the view with a light drink as well. So we create this bar with two side built-in wine cooler and shelf with the LED light, and for the glass and the glassware and the drink. Clients love to have this stone around the house. Beside the kitchen backsplash, they also decide to use the same stone material, but this one is a matte finish for the fireplace to create this book match look. And because we want to use this such a big slab, they want to have a wall hung TV instead of like a regular cabinet TV. For this existing fireplace, it's a corner gas unit at the corner, capture around this area up to this area for the existing. The whole building is like that. We come in, we use the same idea of the same location, but we extend for a longer gas fireplace to make it the feature of this living room. The client really loves the view in this condo. So by using that, we try to hope to get the idea of whenever they stand in this condo, they also have the taste of the view. By looking at standing in the living room, standing in the dining room, kitchen, and as well as when they are working. Our client actually is a retired couple, so that's why they don't need an actual office. They do appreciate for a little desk for their personal use. On top of that, because of the area and the view, we decided to add an L-shaped desk along the area as the window. Same with the window height in order to capture the view while they are working on their personal item. As I mentioned before, the client in love with the stone that they picked for the fireplace. They use the same material and then change a gloss finish for the kitchen backsplash. As we talked about the structure column before, by using it as a function use instead of just a column in the middle of the room, we decide to get a niche out of this column. So we carve the clad with the millwork, and then we create this niche with the open shelf, as our client has also had quite a bit of collective items. So we also use the mirror at the back and try to reflect and capture the view on the other side and enlarge the space. For the existing floor plan of this condo, there's actually a solid wall along this opening and up to here along this hallway. In order for us to get as much view as we can, we decide to knock this wall down. Let's see the powder room. This powder room, we actually use wall covering for the wall, and for this sink, it's actually a custom-made sink from Europe. As you can see, the sink and the stone counter is actually merged together as one piece. And we also put the wood shelf underneath with the LED as well. For this renovation, beside the kitchen area and the living room area, we also help them to upgrade the master ensuite. As you can see, the master ensuite, this stone sink is actually the same custom sink from Europe as we mentioned earlier in the powder room. Not only that, for the vanity, we actually decide to make a floating vanity with LED underneath with a sensor light as well. So at the night time when they come into the bathroom, that will have a sensor light that is for their safety as well. As our client is a retired couple, as we always say, safety is very important, especially for them. So for this shower, even though it's a shower that with a lot of stone inside, we have a lot of grab bar as well for them to make sure that they are safe. For this shower, we use stone to clear all four sides of the shower, as well as the bench and we create a niche for it as well. This client didn't like a lot of grout line on the floor. They don't like to clean. They try to minimize the maintenance of the shower. So as you can see, for the shower base, we actually just have 4 grout lines on the shower floor.
And that's a wrap on the condo renovation. We hope you enjoyed the video as much as we enjoy building the space to life. Let us know in the comment, would you have done anything differently? Don't forget to like and subscribe because the full home tour is coming soon and you won't want to miss it. Thank you for watching. We are VictorEric Design Build and we create amazing space.